So we are in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, we gave you some new stub outs here. So you got a copper water system. So and the valve was soldered on, and so were the connectors. So what we did is we took them off, gave you some adapters, some brass nipples. You can see that on both sides. And so that's your copper in the wall. And these are our adapters, brass nipples. Then you've got some Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are full 3/4 inch inside diameter, down to some brass extensions on so both hot and cold side. Brand new shutoff valve, so quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Those are super nice. And then same thing on your relief line, little adapter, Falcon stainless steel connector. This is a drain line only. It's pressure and or temperature release. So if something's going on with the water heater, or sometimes this might leak all on its own, but typically something will happen. This will pop off, relieve the pressure and or temperature out of the unit, and that's a safety feature. Brand new vent pipe going up into the ceiling here, strapped to your existing ceiling bucket. That's yours. That's our 90, and our little piece of pipe there. Another 90 down to the draft diverter, which comes with the unit. Down here we've got you adjustable strap on the upper third of the water heater, and then an adjustable strap on the lower third of the water heater. You did have this long pipe sticking out of the wall about to here, so you could reach the gas controller. We took it out. It's just out there too far. Put a little 6-inch nipple in there. Brand new shutoff valve, brand new connector, and then a nipple coming out of the controller to reach over here. So that's all tied in, gas tested and whatnot. Water heater is lit. You can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. Right now we have it set to approximately 120 degrees, and so that's safe for most folks. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160 at B140. Third degree burns 3 seconds. Infants and elderly, 1 second, you're going to the hospital. So we recommend hot. One issue that we do have here is when we turn the cold water back onto the water heater, it started filling from the hot side, which means you have a cross connection in the home somewhere. Probably a failed cartridge that the water is just flowing straight through. Or it could be this old setup here for your... No, it wouldn't be that. Those are just both stubbed out. I don't think it was this either. Anyways, could be a cartridge in the home, and a tub shower has failed, and so the water's back feeding. So you got to shut the house down and everything when you go to take this apart. If you ever need to replace that or do something up here, probably the best idea would be to go ahead and take it apart and put a second valve on there, just so you're not always running into water squirting out of that side. So when we turned it on, cold water only. Hot water started coming out of the washing machine hose there, and then also out of this faucet all by itself, and that is not correct. But anyways, no big deal. Water heater is lit. Should have water in about 2 hours, hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.